offering the lamp during the month of Damodar, very auspicious month. Especially in this month, if you don't have this set of show the set of Srimad Bhagavatam. You have some books here? You should definitely get Srimad Bhagavatam for your home. Many of you are coming here. Your home doesn't have Srimad Bhagavatam. You should have it in your home. Complete bliss. I've been talking about the deity. Krishna is Srimad Bhagavatam. That's another form of Krishna. So tell them in Telugu. Give a Telugu announcement about Srimad Bhagavatam. We have in English, Telugu, Hindi, whichever language you like. We can arrange it. Hear it? Yeah.